Hi, do you know how to improve your English skill? I have some tips for you. 1. Watch English videos such as movies or education videos using full English. 2. Often read English quotes. 3. Listen to English songs and understand the lyrics. 4. Talk to yourself in English. 5. Write a diary in English. Those are some tips from me. Keep practicing to improve your English skill.
Hi everyone, back again on my channel to make two-dimensional animation with Wonderstar Anireel. In this video, I will make a presentation video like the one at the beginning of this video. For who are not familiar with Anireel, you can watch my first video about Anireel. So, this is the first page of Anireel. You can immediately create a new project or go to text-to-speech and directly create two-dimensional characters. Or you can directly use the template that has been provided by Anireel. Here, I will show you how to make two-dimensional character in Anireel. You can click this one. You can choose the gender for the character you want to make. Here I choose female. You can choose a body type of your character, but now you can only choose the medium because the others are still coming soon. And as you can see, there are many presets of the character, so you can choose one you want. Besides that, you can set the skin color of your character. Okay, we move to the head. Here you can choose the shape of your character face. After that, you can choose the hair. Many hairstyles are provided here, so you won't run out of ideas. And you can set the color of the hair. You can choose the shape of eyebrow and set the color too. And you can choose the shape of eyes. There are slanted eyes, round eyes, and others. Then you can choose the nose. You can set the color of mouth, and you can choose the shape of your character ears. After that, we move to the clothing. First, you have to add the inner or base layer of your outfit. Then you can choose the outfits or the outer. Then you can choose one of bottom outfit. And you can choose footwear. We move to the accessories. Starting from head, accessories. There are accessories for whole face, mouth, and others. Then accessories for hand. There are bracelets and gloves. You can choose accessories for neck, eyes, ears, and head. It's up to you. You can choose the best accessories for your own character. After that, you can give name for your character and click apply now. And now, you can start to make video presentations. I start by looking for a background. After finding the background, I drag and drop it on the board to edit. After that, you can add the character you have created in My Character. Drag and drop and adjust the size. As you know, here there are many menus to adjust the character you are using, such as flip, layer, pose, effect, motion path, and lip sync. After that, I make text-to-speech for the opening scene. It's very easy. You just write what you want to voice, then you can set the language, gender, and whose voice you will use. When you are done, add the sound to the timeline. I add the same character a second time, so I could change the character's movement or pose. Here I add new sound text-to-speech. Then choose the right pose. After that, I add text according to the text-to-speech voice that I have added. You can set the font, size, and color as you like. I add a second scene to discuss the content. I immediately using the template provided by Anireel, so it would not be complicated. I just change the text and add the text-to-speech. Don't forget to set the time on the timeline. For the next scene, the same as previous one, I just added a template text-to-speech voice and set the time in the timeline. I really like Anireel because it makes it easy for us to create masterpieces, to do assignment, and make ordinary things more extraordinary. Besides that, for those of you who can't make animation, don't worry. Everything is here for you. Of you who want to download, you can click the link in the description of this video. As you can see, making this presentation video is very easy. You just have to drag and drop. Besides that, you also edit the parts that are needed. For closing, I copy the first scene, so it is not complicated. I just change the text and add text-to-speech. In addition, you can add music or sound effects that have been provided by Anireel. But here I import music from my gallery. If you add music with TTS or text-to-speech, don't forget to lower the music volume so that the TTS volume is not covered. After everything is done, you can check the video from the start to finish. If you are sure, you can just click Save or Export. In the Export menu, you can change the name, where it is saved, and change the resolution. After that, click Export. Wait until the export process is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it will be useful, and don't forget to download the Anireel software. See you on the next video.